Hello everyone, I am Tamanna and now we are going to start physics chapter 3 electricity. So अब सबको पता है कि electricity is the one of the most important component of our life. It is used in everything in nowadays, like in our homes, in stations, in workshops, everywhere. So our first topic is electric charge. What is electric charge? Electric charge is a physical entity of a body which is caused due to deficiency or excessive number of electrons. When there is excessive number of electrons, it gains it gains positive charge because it donate electrons, and when there is negative number of electrons it gains when there is less number of electrons it gains negative charge because it because it gains electrons. And charges are of two types: protons and electrons. Protons are those charges which have positive charge present in them, and electrons are those charges which have negative charge present in them. So these are the values of electrons and protons. Electrons have negative sign and protons have positive sign. As you know that electrons are negatively charged charges and protons are positively charged charges. And our next topic is current. Current is the rate of charge flowing per unit time in any conductor. In any conductor, it is represented by I, and charges are represented by q, sorry, by small q, and time is represented by t. So its SI unit is ampere. It comes from the unit coulomb per second. Coulomb per second is the another unit of electric current. Its SI unit is ampere, and this was all about electric current. And my next topic is electric potential and potential difference. Electric potential is the work done. Electric potential is the work done. Electric potential is the rate of work done by charge to move from one place to another. Like here, a charge is present. To move the charge from point A to B, we have to do some work done. We have to do some work done, and this work done in per unit in per unit in rate of charge is known as potential difference, potential electric potential. And when charge is moved from here to here, the difference between them is known as potential difference. So my next topic is electric circuit. Electric circuit is a closed and continuous path in which the current can flow. It has many components like this is a cell which have two terminals, positive and negative, and many cells together constitute and make a battery. दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस जिसको हम आगे इन टॉपिक में देखेंगे. रेजिस्टेंस टॉपिक नंबर 5. And this is variable resistance. and this is bulb. These are some major components of a circuit. Sorry, I lost missed two more. This is ammeter, and this is voltmeter. Ammeter is used to measure current, measure the amount of current present in the circuit, and voltmeter is used to measure the amount of voltage present in the circuit. This is a closed circuit. One may, this is a key. If the key is closed, then the current flow, and if the key is not open, current is not able to flow. So here closed key is present. So circuit is completed due to this closed key, and current is able to flow in this circuit, and ammeter measures the amount of current present in that circuit, and voltmeter measures the amount of voltage present in the circuit. So this was all about electric circuit, and my fourth topic is Ohm's law. Ohm's law is a law given by given by scientist Simon Ohm, and this law states that uh, this law states that the direct relationship between potential difference and current. This law states that when potential difference is directly proportional to current at the constant temperature. To remove the proportional sign, we have to use a constant, which is our resistance. It needs a constant temperature. If the constant temperature is not present, the accurate value of potential difference and current would not directly proportional according to this law. And my next top V is equals to IR. This is represented by many other forms. In this, I will put the value of I and find out the value of V, and it is represented in many more forms by putting the value of R and with replacing this vacuum. Ohm's law is a direct relationship between current and potential difference. Ohm's law states that the current is always the potential difference is always directly proportional to current at the constant temperature. Resistance. Resistance is the ability to oppose the current. For sir. Oppose the current. What? Oppose the current flow. Current flow को oppose करना. How? Sir, the structure of resistance is like this. So when जब यहाँ पे ऊपर नीचे zigzag स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होगा तो करंट को जाने में टाइम लगेगा, ये करंट के फ्लो को कम करता है, ना कि करंट को रोकने का।
What is resistivity?
Resistivity is the ability of material of a conductor to oppose the current.
Which substance has the best resistivity?
Copper.
What do you mean by resistivity? How can you define best and worst resistivity?
रेजिस्टिविटी जो है वो करंट को रोकने की एक कैपेबिलिटी होती है, जो कि कंडक्टर के मटेरियल की होती है, ना कि कंडक्टर में जो रेजिस्टेंस प्रेजेंट होता है उसकी।
Factors on which resistance depends.
Factors on which resistance.
And their relations.
Resistance inversely depend upon area of cross section of conductor, directly depend on length of conductor, and directly depend on resistivity of that conductor.
In which wire resistance is high? Thin wire or thick wire?
Thin wire.
How?
Sir, because area of cross section is inversely proportional to resistance. So if area of cross section is जब उसका एरिया कम होगा तो रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा बढ़ेगा, इसलिए